With a beautiful view of Orange Beach right here on the bay, this home deserves a roof that's just as strong as it is stunning. Today, we're taking you through a full metal roof removal and replacement, done the right way from start to finish. We began by carefully removing the existing metal panels while protecting the property and preserving this incredible waterfront setting. This roof is 3 stories tall. Extra precautions were taken to prevent accidental damage. Once the old metal roofing is off, we inspect the decking underneath for any signs of damage or rot. If repairs are needed, we take care of them immediately, because a solid foundation is everything. Next, we install a high-quality underlayment to add a critical layer of moisture protection, especially important in coastal environments like this. From there, we install the new metal roofing system. Each panel is precisely measured, aligned, and secured for a clean finish and maximum resistance against wind, rain, and salt air. We also upgrade all flashing, trim, and ridge components to ensure every detail is sealed and built to last. Proper ventilation is installed to help regulate temperature and extend the life of the roof. Once everything is complete, we perform a full cleanup and final inspection, leaving this home looking even better against that beautiful bay backdrop. The result? A durable, energy-efficient metal roof built to handle the coastal elements for decades to come. If you're ready to upgrade your roof, our team is here to help, from inspection to completion. Give us a call today to get started.